Hi guys, good evening. I am Suhail Khalid Pinzari and today date is 4th February 2022 and today I am discuss on the topic difference between abstract and interface. So let's start. So first we know about abstract and interface. This is work this both these are work same but the way of work is different. Like first we see abstract and then after we see interface. So in the abstract method or abstract in the abstract is a keyword for doing some operation. So if we make one simple class and in that we write four or five methods for many another operations. So if we write only three methods and fourth method we not able to write this method at that time and we want to complete this method by another person at that time we write the abstract keyword before this method. When we write abstract keyword before this method, then when next developer or next person is come to work on it at that time, this, this person this person extend this class which is class made by me and he work on it easily. So extend keywords is used for the abstract methods comes in another class or abstract method comes in another class. That means implements keyword used for the initialization of short method or incomplete method. It is abstract method and interface interface is also keyword which is used in Java and its work is also same but in the different is in that abstract class or abstract method our two or three methods are complete and which is also known as concrete method but our only one process is incomplete but in the interface we write a class name we write in the main class we write a keyword interface in the main class or in that our all methods are incomplete method means abstract method and we write to abstract keyword before every and each method we write at that time we write the interface in our main method or main class. It's called as interface. Its example is means if we think to create a new project and this project is a simple calculator or advanced calculator at that time and we want on a work on it some another person or work on it and some another person are complete this project at that time. At that time I only create a layout of this program or layout of this project means if we think about create a simple calculator project at that time we only write a incomplete method or method name means we only write a addition method and in that we write two objects are given, means two numbers are given from the user, and the operation which is done on it, this operation is completed by another person. Then we write a first addition method, or it is abstract method, means incomplete method. Then I write second, so addition, subtraction method, third multiplication method, and fourth division method, or what I want. We write all these methods, but all these methods are incomplete methods, and I write on the main class. I write interface keyword, and I add interface keyword in the main class. At that time, when another person or another developers work on it, that time the developers pick the class and he implement the class in in their own class. Means implement is a keyword to implement this interface class in our own class. Or if we does not use does not use implements keyword, at that time our program is not run, or our compiler shows us error. The basic main difference is in abstract and interface is only and only the working method difference, and it's also its work is both works are same, but only working method is different, or this is abstract or interface difference. Okay, thank you.